Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best bank account for freelancers in Germany. So let's quickly dive into it. If you are a freelancer in Germany and you want a bank that's easy, flexible, and help you keep your finances organized, so one of the best top pick is Phenom. Phenom is one of the top best pick. It offers a free business account with a Germany IBAN, virtual and physical card, and inbuilt tools like invoicing and expense tracking. Another one is also N26. N26 business is great for solo freelancers who want simple, fast mobile banking with no monthly fees, while the Quantum shines if you need multiple sub account and easy bookkeeping tools. This account help you separate personal and business money, manage tax easily, and make the European Union transfer smoothly. If this actually help you, like the video, subscribe for more smart banking tips, and comment which freelancers account you do like to try first. And that's it.